I
So what do you have so far?
so far I have this right here done,
Okay.
right? And that changes with these, but I just copied this formula over here and I was working on that.
Okay. Um, so if you put in April of 2018, what numbers do you get?
Um, okay, hold up. April of 18.
Yep. Because his instruction video actually gave the right numbers.
8694 40438. Here, hold up. Let me help you out.
8695. Yeah, so you're right on all those.
Okay.
Um,
So
so then all I did at that point was copy and pasted them just like you did. So you've got those in there. And now your for that number, because that's just the years to date, did you create a VLOOKUP yet to, yeah, that's probably what you've got right there.
yeah, right here.
So all you have to do now is go into your cell with the internet for cells year to date. Let me make sure I'm looking at this right, because I moved mine to another page when I was done. What my difference was. Okay, because oh, that's what I need to look for. If I look for the so at the very end of it, um, so like I've got what did you name your page? Summary?
It's just summary sheet.
Okay, and the other one I guess they named is invoice download.
Yeah.
So near the end, you've probably got invoice download R4 through R7035.
I have R5, not R4.
Okay, and it goes through 7035.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's where the difference comes in is on after that one, you'll keep that the same, but
So
you'll,
I'll change it. I'll take off everything after that.
I believe so. I'm looking at mine. I think it's the same thing, and that's all I changed.
Okay. So so you have the R4, R5 to R7035. And
Yes. Yeah,
then
for
you have
some reason I did R4, but I ended up with the same numbers as you.
okay. Yeah, R4 is just the title of the column.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it won't change anything.
So
Um, and then you have a comma, and then you have the number that you used the VLOOKUP for,
yes,
right?
but you have to do it the weird way, like on the homework. So what you'll do is you'll go comma, quotation.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's that weird little thing. Otherwise, it won't work. I tried it without it. You know how on the homework you had to put the less than sign inside quotation marks?
Yes.
So you'll go comma, quotation, less than equal.
Quotation ampersand.
Yes, after the second quotation, ampersand, and then click on your for
Okay,
and lock it in.
got it.
And that should give you the right answer.
32174.
I got that answer the first time too. What caused that? Because the answer should be 6844. But I had that same thing happen to me. Oh, did check and make sure you did less than and not greater than.
I did less than.
It was less than.
Yeah, I mean, I could try greater than.
No, it's less than.
I got 63,000.
So what? Okay, let me run through all my numbers just really quick and tell me if this is the same as you've got. So you've got some ifs, invoice download, AH4 through AH5 through AH7035, comma, invoice download, AC5 through AC7035.
No. I have T.
You have T?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, that's the change we have to make. Because as you copy and pasted it over, did you use the column for months the first time?
Probably.
They actually have a column that have them numbered. Otherwise, that wouldn't have worked.
Okay.
So let me go to that page and.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, you're right. I know what you're talking about. Okay. And so let me hit enter on that. And it gives me 0.
Look, where are we at? Oh, so AC, the one I was talking about is the in-house one.
Oh.
In-house or internet. So, I mean, that's the right column for that.
So I am working on T right now.
Okay. But, let's see.
Wait. What do you mean AC is the in-house one?
For in-house or internet, the one we should be looking at, somewhere you probably have column S when it probably needs to be column R. Let me.
No, I have column R.
Oh, you do have column R.
Yeah.
So R4 through R7035.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go back to where our difference was. So, because I have AC.
I'm not sure I understand.
Yeah, I put my L on my phone. AC4 through AC7035, and you're saying you don't have that?
I had T.
Like just column T?
Yeah. Well, it's like T5 to T7035.
Okay, so I have AC.
Okay. And then you have summary sheet C2 or.
Oh, so T's a year. But we're still wanting the lookup for if it's in-house or internet or broker.
Okay. Hold on.
But that's strange because I'm kind of guessing there's two different ifs to it, and we could have just done it in a different order.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Because later I
have AC later.
Okay, so that's probably not our difference because I've got AC, and then later I've got T, and then so after your AC, I've got comma summary C4, or is that probably B8?
Summary, is that your year one? Year input?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then on your one that's CAC, do you have summary B8, or I guess that could be a different number for
summary month input.
Okay.
Yes.
Then after that, invoice download R4 through R7035.
Yep.
Oh, why do we have a different answer then?
Okay, so where do you put the less than? Where do you put that?
Right after that, R7035.
Okay, so let me change that real fast. So quotations.
Oh, did you get rid of the stuff after that?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Well, yeah, and mine's gone after that too, though. Like I did get rid of that.
And this, just that right here. That's it.
Yes, but that's where mine generally ended.
Let's see how it works. 4,489?
No, I've got 6,844, and I'm pretty sure if we look at the demo too, it actually had all the answers to these boxes. That's how I was able to check my work.
Huh. Okay.
So that's really weird that because we've got the same answers in 1819. Can you make your what's that? Like your equation bigger so I can just look at it real close and see if I'm missing something?
Yeah. Yeah, let me just get this fixed real fast. Okay. You want to look at the equation. I kind of don't know how to make it bigger.
Well, I guess if you just make the whole thing, like the whole Excel, a little bigger.
Can you see that?
Oh, yes. Let me get mine to where I can. Okay, so invoice download AH. There shouldn't be a difference with our two, like with the two different if statements since we had them in a different order. And that shouldn't matter, should it?
No.
I didn't think so. Invoice download T. Yeah, that's what I've got. And then if you get rid of everything after your C7, that's what we did before in it.
Yeah. Because you need that base.
Big number.
Yeah.
So I'm not seeing. Let me share mine and have you look at my formula and see if you notice something I didn't.
Okay. Let me.
Oh, it won't let me because I've got my screen locked now. But is that big enough that you can see it?
I gotta move you bigger. Okay. So AH T AC.
So I'm actually just noticing
What?
I've got column R where you have column T.
But I have column R here. Oh, I think I understand what you're saying.
Oh, that's good because I just saw a column T on mine too and was wondering what I was saying. So
Oh, wait. Let me look to see where you're. No, I have. I have no idea. At this point, I'm just gonna accept it and embrace it.
Okay. I was going to say we could try one time building it from scratch and just undo it if it doesn't work and see if we build it the exact same way if it comes up with the number. If you want.
Sounds terrible. Sure, let's try it.
Okay.
Equals sum ifs.
So then invoice download AH, that whole column.
Hold on. Invoice download AH.
Yep.
Okay, lock it in.
Then invoice download AC.
Okay.
And you lock that in.
Then summary.
Yep, on mine it's B8, but
What is it, the year?
no, this is sales rep group. So on mine it's internet.
Oh, okay. Got it. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
I lock it in, but I only put the $ in front of the B.
Right. Okay, comma.
Then invoice download T4, or well, yeah, the T column through 7,035.
Okay.
Lock that in. Then comma summary C4, which for me is the year.
Okay.
Then comma invoice download and R.
R. Okay.
Yep. And then
Wait, which one is R? Is that the month number?
I believe so. Let me go look at mine. Yes, month number.
Okay, sorry, mine's like being blocked by the thing. Okay, lock that in.
Yep. Then comma less than equal.
Quotations.
Yep. Yep, ampersand, and then invoice download. Well, that's because I moved it over. It's that number right there that you got.
Right. Okay.
And then I just have my close parenthesis, and that's it.
This value. Oh, it may be because of this. Crap. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I had that problem.
It's so annoying that it does that.
Yeah, that ticked me off. The very last step, I spent an extra 30 minutes on because I couldn't figure that out.
No, it still says value.
The month one combined as well.
No.
That's a frustrating with Excel. There's so many things that if one thing's wrong.
Yeah. Hold on, let me try something. Well, that's not working. All right. I don't really care about that one.
Okay.
Okay, so interesting. And then where is this D2 at? What the heck? Where is it? Oh, C2. That's what I'm looking for. Right there.
Hey, I don't know why, but I just changed my month to March, and now I've got the same numbers you do.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. All right. And then how do you do the?
There's not a chance you accidentally put your VLOOKUP in the wrong columns, is there?
No.
Okay. Because, yeah, I had the exact same numbers as you when I switched to March.
That's so weird.
Except for my numbers are different in the first set.
Yeah.
See, now I've got the same numbers in the first.
See, but now look, now we have the same numbers.
Right, just in our first one, though. Now, if you go to sales year to date, we have different numbers.
In a second, it's the same.
I've got 4489 in that one.
What? Oh, you're right. Yeah, okay. I'm fine.
But yeah, I've got the same number as you in the first grouping.
It's all good.
That's weird. It's like it's pulling, when you have April selected, it's like it's pulling March's numbers.
Yeah, are you sure you don't?
Yeah, I just went and looked, and I've got March's set to number 3.
All right, whatever. I'm fine. Okay. So I would just copy this one over, right?
Yep. Yeah, it's got to be from that one.
And then I would change sum if to average if. Is that it?
Yes, average ifs.
Yeah.
Yep.
AVG.
Yes. Well, it's all spelled out on.
Oh, it is spelled out?
Yep, it's all spelled out. Average spelled out ifs.
Oh, no.
No, I think that happened on mine. Trying to remember what. There's one change that has to be made, I think. Yeah, you have to move your
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
just to the unit price on the other page instead of what is it instead of?
Sales.
Yes.
Yep. Okay. Which is what? Well, what column is that?
So
Sales.
it's only one column different. So sales is O. No, never mind. Don't. That's not right.
Sales is the very last column. So
Yeah, sales is AH. You need AE.
nope, still divided by 0. Hold up. That's why. I'm so funny. I always make these stupid freaking mistakes. Okay. Did you get?
So on their demonstration, they took those out to the dollar signs.
Okay.
Just in that column. And I'm guessing I've got the same as you in the top one, but not the next two. Yeah, I have 439 in the first one, but then it's a negative 383.
That is so weird. Wait, how can you get a negative on an average unit price?
Yeah, I was wondering the same thing. But like I said, on his demonstration, if you're in the April one, it shows exactly what they had, and they were all negatives.
Hmm. Oh. Wait, what? Now I'm getting 383. But not where I'm supposed to be getting it. And 497?
Yeah, let me switch back because I just switched mine to April. Yeah, you're getting those in the 2017 price where I'm getting those in the 2018 price.
Okay, I got that fixed.
What did you have to do to fix those? I wonder if that could be the same thing that happened in your sales year to date.
I don't actually. I just copied and pasted them over. Well, I cut them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's okay. There we go. Okay, and now I just change this.
Yeah, you just gotta where your year's at, just make it the -1.
Yeah. Oh, I don't do that actually, but I probably should.
Yep, that works too.
I thought it's funny that our teacher uses a Mac.
Yeah. I've probably been bugging him a lot more than he likes this semester, but from talking to him, he's not a big fan of this, how they have this course set up.
I think it's terrible.
Yeah. Like, I don't know if you, on that mini project we did last week, if you got it back and had been deemed like 4 points.
I don't know.
So originally I got it back and had a 16 out of 20, but I had actually done it with him. So what happened is the person that graded it had the answer key as if they were grading it in March because they graded it on March 1st, but I completed it on February 27th and submitted it.
Yeah.
So my answers appeared to them wrong because they were looking at an answer key in a different month than I did it in.
Oh my gosh.
And he said that the entire class got dinged for it and he had to go back and change everybody.
That's so stupid.
You'd think that the person grading it would figure out after like the fifth one, hey, everybody has the same wrong answer.
I completely agree. Okay, so this next one, we're doing products.
Yep. So all I did now is I just copy and pasted straight down. But then you need to add in another one because you're going to have 4 products. But so I just copied the internet one twice, if that makes sense.
Oh, shoes.
And you only need one of each of them. The bottom one isn't linked to the month or year thing, and it's just its own little thing.
What? Okay.
Yeah, and I just copy your internet row or one of them into there again. And then you can change those to it's lamb lotion small, lamb lotion large, lamb lips small, lamb lips large.
Lamb lotion small. Weird names.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let me look at these real quick and see what I only had to change like one thing. Like it became pretty easy at that point. So where you've got AC right now?
Yes.
You need AA.
AA.
Yep. Instead of rep group, you need the item group.
Okay, so you get nothing right there?
No. Let me see if there were any other changes.
Oh, yes. Yeah, hold up.
Oh, yeah, you got to link it to that.
464?
You're on April. Let me switch back to April. Yes.
Sweet. Okay.
Those are all right.
Then I drag it over. Oh gosh, no. Gotta love those moments. Need to lock B23. Ah, because I did it wrong. Dang it, Joe. Okay. Then this. Actually, this.
For the conditional formatting that it asks for, I just saved it and then I opened up my Excel 2010 and put the conditional formatting on and then came back to this one. I had to delete Excel last week and reinstall it because that screwed it up so bad.
Really?
Yeah, my old workbooks that I had weren't even working anymore.
That's so weird.
Like crashed Excel.
Okay, so I'm
Yep, that's the right numbers.
okay. All right, cool. And then I'll just copy this over.
Yep. Well, not completely, because you have to use the month thing again, but I guess you can make that change now.
The month thing?
Well, the number instead of April, your 4 that's underneath April.
Oh, right. So then should I copy this down?
Yes. Yeah, that's what I'd do.
Okay.
You'll just have to make the 2 changes that we did again.
Right. Hold on. Okay. And then
the AA instead of AC.
right, that's what I was just about to change. And is that it?
Yes.
1,159.
Well, I bet if I change to March, that'll. Yes.
What the heck?
That's weird because the only thing I could even think of would be that possibly your VLOOKUP is off a column, but
but it's showing for whatever. I don't even care.
Well, I just mean, like, where's your VLOOKUP at?
It's right here.
Right, but I mean, where's your
AJ?
Your table array? Like, where's that?
It's right here. Oh, you're going really fast.
Oh, did you just use the one they had?
Yeah.
Oh, I created my own. I guess I could have used theirs.
The teacher made it sound like that's what he wanted us to do, so I was like, I'll do it.
Yeah.
So
I didn't even know a VLOOKUP would work that way. I thought that the month had to be on the other side since that's what it was looking up.
No. No. Well, yes. Yeah, so I just transposed it. I just flipped it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you're totally right.
Yeah, I didn't even try one in there, but they're the ones that designed it, so that should work.
Yeah. Okay, that's done. And then probably copy this one over there. What do we change in here? Forget.
You're also going to have to switch it to the AA.
Right. Well, no, it already is AA.
Oh, and then you have to get, you go from AH to AE.
Oh, okay. Right. Okay. I should be able to just pull that down. Let's pull that over. I'll change this. Do this. Okay. He wants He wants to see the 2 decimal places. I can do that.
For some reason, I'm getting complete different numbers than what you're getting on that one.
Wow, you are. Okay. Let's see.
But on these ones, I could very well be wrong because it didn't have them like checked on it didn't show the answers like it did on the top 3 tables.
Yeah, honestly, I'm fine. If I'm wrong, I don't really care. Okay, so let's go to the very last one.
Okay. Yeah, that one's actually quite a bit easier because it doesn't have to be linked or anything. So it's just the 4 products again.
Okay, just gonna copy this over there. Cool. Okay.
So then you'll only have 2 columns instead of 3, and one's your average and one's your standard deviation.
Okay. Average. That's fine.
Okay. So that's an average if.
Oh, that's looking really intense. Okay, equals average if or just ifs. Okay, if.
Yeah, just singular. Invoice download AA.
Okay.
Then summary B23, which for me is the lamb lotion small, to just your product.
Okay.
Lock it in front.
Yep.
And then invoice download, column AE. And lock that in and
All that. All right. Wait, no, I did something really weird. I'm gonna redo that. Actually, no, I'll be fine. AE05? AE5?
yep, through the 7,035.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Up. Division 0.
It doesn't like it.
No.
So invoice download AA locked in, then your lamb lotion small.
Oh, that's what it did wrong. It saved it a summary sheet instead of. Okay. You got 3? No. Hold up. Let me go to the right month.
Well, I'm on a different month. What month are you on?
I'm on February of 18.
I guess month is irrelevant to this. So I got 572 when I did it. I got the same one as you did on the large, though.
What the heck?
That's the only one we got the same on.
Okay, hold up. Let me try something real fast. It's like freaking.
It's a messed up sheet.
Move it to the top. Okay. So we're looking at base lamb lotion small. Let's see if. No, I didn't like that. Man.
What I don't get is why one would be the same, but the others wouldn't.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it's a pretty simple formula, so I don't think we could have done it wrong. It's just invoice download.
But look at yours. Why would the small one be more expensive than the large one?
Yeah, I didn't even bother thinking about that. So I mean, it very well could be wrong, but like I have the same formula except for the one thing that changed. Yeah, I only have one number that switches.
All right, as it is, leave it.
Yeah, the good thing with him too is all you have to do is email him if you don't like your grade, and he looks at it and he doesn't care about the math at all. He just looks at your formula, and if your formula is right, he gives you credit.
Yeah.
So the standard deviation.
Yep.
So equals the stdev.s.
Okay.
If, and then invoice download, column AA.
Okay.
Equals your lamb lotion small.
Okay.
Comma, invoice download AE.
Okay.
Control Shift Enter.
Ah, it's the fun one.
Yeah, it took me a while on that one.
Isn't it Command Shift Enter or is it Control Shift?
I think it's Control.
It is. You're right. You get.
I think I got the same number as you there. Yep,
Yeah.
258.
Sweet. And 3. Yep.
The same on all those.
Okay.
It's really weird because it's the same information on both of them.
Yeah. I agree.
The real crazy thing, I asked him about this in my email. If you change that year to like 2015, you get tons of errors.
Errors? What do you mean?
Oh, yours, there you go, the div zeros.
Yeah.
Some months you get lots of them, but he just said on a sheet like this, that's expected. Don't worry about it.
Oh, that's nice of him.
So yeah, that's all you've got left is putting in the conditional formatting on that and then locking the sheet.
Okay. That's gonna be fun.
And you know how to make the cells so they won't be locked when you lock the sheet because it wants those two unlocked.
This little button up here.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. I downloaded that when it gave it to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I super appreciate your help because I was totally ready to just quit.
Oh, no problem. I'll send you the link and then meet Friday or Saturday.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Well, I'll talk to you later.